everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my second Walgreens haul. Now, the beauty event does start this Thursday. A lot of you guys were sending me messages about it. My store doesn't have a beauty lady like I used to. I might go to my store that I go to on Sundays. There is a deal that I really want to get. It's for personally for me. So I will see what I can do to share with you guys some deals, but I think the Allmate deal might be a good deal. We will see. I will try to figure out something for you guys, and I will be working on the digital coupons for you guys. I might not do it this week, but I'm gonna try to work on it. I don't know. I still am going through like my depression where I just don't want to do anything. I don't like leaving my house. Like I had to make myself come here today, but I'm still gonna try to do something with you guys. Like I just need ambition is what I do. So let me share with you guys what I got. I got like this little bag. I got this free from DSW, and I just throw all my stockpile stuff in there, so when I get home I don't have to double handle it. So I ended up getting the whole blends. Now this is not the greatest deal, but I still want to share with you guys on stuff because some of you guys might need this. These are 2 for $7. There is a 4 off of 2 coupon. You guys would get these for $3.50 or $1.50 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys really want to. Sorry. I'm like whited out right now. I'm just gonna change myself because I feel too whited out. And a lot of you guys were asking why I look around like I'm paranoid. It's just, I just am that person. Like, even if I'm not recording, I'm always like, I'm a people watcher. I love to watch people. Like, I've called stuff out one time. One time, Graham and I were driving, and I'm like, watch that person drive right into that. There was an outdoor house or a porta potty. I says, watch that person drive right into it. And guess what? They did it. It was just like the funniest thing ever. So I always just watch my surroundings. I'm not scared or anything. I just watch my surroundings. It's a habit. I'm a people watcher. So, you know, that's what I do when I'm bored or sitting in a car. But let's move on. So the next deal I got is the Gurney Forties. Now this is an all-month deal. So if you guys are brand loyal, definitely go ahead and do this deal. These are $3.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would get that. You want to use a 4 off of 2 coupon that we just got this past insert on Sunday. So you guys would get these for like $2, I think. $1.98. So like 99 cents a piece is basically what these come out to be. So pretty good deal if you guys want to do that. And then there was another deal that I was thinking of doing, but I'm like, I don't need it. Now, we got the Loreal coupons. Now, there's also a buy one, get one free coupon if you buy this certain product. Now, the product that I was looking at was $6.99, and then you had to buy, and then you got one of these for free. It would have came out to like $2 a bottle, and I don't know if that's a pretty good deal, so I didn't do it, but I ended up doing this. This is something that I'm actually going to try. My hair, a lot of you guys were really liking my hair lately. When I straighten my hair, it takes a lot of work. I have to like either let it air dry all day long and then straighten it, but yeah, I just do it this way. It's so much more convenient. But this is for long damaged hair, which I have. It says it visibly repairs lengths without weigh down. So we will see how this goes. Dream lengths, but these are 2 for $8. You also want to use that 4 off of 2 coupon that we just got this past inserts. There is also a digital coupon for this if you guys want to do it. Plus there is a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would get these for $1 a bottle. I think it's pretty average for $1 a bottle. Anytime you can get it cheaper, it's even better. But hey, you know, go for it, go for it, go for it. I did the Allmate Wipes this time, and this time the register reward printed. So I still have to complain. I know everybody's having problems. According to the group that I was in on Walgreens for Sunday, everybody was complaining that it wasn't working. So these are $5.99. I actually really like the Allmate Wipes. I like the Neutrogena, but I rarely ever get the Neutrogena for couponing. So I'm like, the Allmate ones work fine for me. And I used to get the little circle things. Those are fine for like fixing stuff. Sorry, my son is home from school. But I like these. So these were $5.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use the 3 off of 2 coupon that we just got in our inserts this past Sunday. And you guys will get a $5 registry reward. So you guys will get that. Comes out to be just 98 cents. That's like 50 cents a piece. Pretty good deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I was going to do the Revlon. I'm like, no, I'm just not going like super crazy with couponing like I used to. It's the weather and, you know, yeah. So this is a deal that I was going to do the other day, but I didn't have enough coupons for it. Now, if you guys have that shave coupon, or if you guys have the shave deal, my store didn't have enough on hand, but I was going to do the shaving gel or shaving foam. Those are $2.99. If you guys want, I did that in my past couple of videos, but this is an all-month thing. So as long as you guys have these coupons and you have the Ibotta deals, go for it. But this is the Nivea Men Deep Cleaning Facial Scrub. Now this is a little bit different, and you guys can use 2 of those coupons because it says you can use $2 off any facial or aftershave stuff, but then the shaving cream you can use 2 off of 2. So it's the same coupon, you just gotta read the wording on it. But these were $6.79. Buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 of those $2 off coupons. You would pay $6.18, but with my Ibotta, I get $1.70 back and $1.70 back. Now, everybody's Ibotta is different, but you guys would get this for $2.78 or $1.39 a piece. I mean, it's a pretty good deal. I mean, I think my husband will watch it or use it because I don't know about him cleaning his face, but you know what? We're gonna do it. So, yes. Now, everybody is like sick in my family. I am the only one that is not sick in my family. Everybody is just, it's disgusting. I take prenatal vitamins and I feel like those just do something for me. But I ended up getting the Robitussin and Dime Tap. Now you guys can mix and match this however you want. And I just did 2 separate transactions. But the lady in front of me, she did like a multiple medicines and she had 2 register rewards print off. So I don't know if she just did 2 different deals or what. But you know, I'm not gonna try it. So I ended up getting the adult Robitussin, adult Advil, the kids Robitussin, and the kids Dime Tap. I got these. Each of these were $5.99, and I used a $3 off coupon for these. Now the bad thing is there's only 1 digital $3 off coupon, and it's for all of this combined. There's like, so if you guys have a paper coupon and a digital coupon, that works. But I used one transaction, I did one transaction, I did this, and another transaction, I did that. So $5.99. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons, you would pay $5.98. But then you guys will get a $3 register reward. Now these are a different type of register reward to use than normal. But they're still pretty good. The only thing I've learned is you can't use both of these in one transaction. It's 1 per transaction. I don't know. I've learned my lesson on that because they've had to override it. But I'm like, you know what? I think it's because you're only supposed to use 1. Yeah. I don't know. But if you guys can use them both in transaction, go for it. So, yes. So, it comes out to be, I lost my spot, $2.98 or $1.49. So, not the greatest deal, but hey, you guys know what? It's medicine season. So, a lot of people needed to do that deal. And that is what I got. There are some deals that I didn't do that I still wanted to share with you guys in case you guys want to do it. The nice bags, those are $2.79. It's currently buy one, you get two free. You would pay $2.79. They come out to be just 93 cents a piece. I do have a picture for you guys here. Another deal that you guys can do is the Ajax laundry detergent, or there's the Home Comfort tissues, which I think the Walgreens brand used to be nice, and I think they're changing it to Home Comfort. I'm not sure, but those are just 99 cents. I think the Ajax is 99 cents all the time from what I can remember. Not sure on that, but here's a picture for you guys to see that. Another deal that you guys can do is the Bag Strips deal. Now, I was going to do this, but I'm like, I don't have a dog. It's not cheap enough for me, but it's up to you guys if you want. The Bag Strips are buy one, get one 50% off. They're $4.99. We currently have a buy one, get one free coupon, but the coupon only goes until up to, I messed up all my coupons. I think it goes up to like $3.29 is from what I can remember. So you guys can do that. Yeah, it goes up to $3.29. But currently there is a digital coupon for $3.75. So you guys can go ahead. It's at $3.75 off a 2 digital coupon. So if you use that digital coupon, it'll be $3.73. Or just $1.86 a piece. So here's a picture if you guys want to see the product that I'm talking about. And then the coupon's included also if you want to do the coupon. But there also is the digital that I gave you guys the deal for. So that was my haul. I didn't do very much, but I'm going to probably do another haul for you guys on Thursday. I'm not sure. It just depends. If I'm just going to get my makeup, I'm not going to do that video. But I like the L'Oreal makeup, and there's currently a good deal for that right now. So I want to definitely go ahead and stock up on that because you can't go wrong. But my total came to $18.46. I ended up getting 9,300 points. I basically got $9.30 worth of points, but we're just gonna say I got $9. I ended up getting $11 worth of registry rewards, $5 for the Allmate, and then I got $3 for the Advil and the other thing. So, and then I also will receive $3.40 with Ibotta for the Nivea. So that's a pretty good deal if you guys want to do that. If that resets, I might even do that again because, you know, why not? Why not? So my grand total came to $4.94 Moneymaker. I got everything for free again. I'm really trying to build my points. A lot of you guys ask if I pay with points. I usually do pay with points right now. But when I give you guys my total, that does not factor the points. Like, I usually sometimes only pay like $1 or $2, but I like to let you guys know what my price was before points. But I didn't use points in this transaction. I did have a spend 20 or 25 Catalina, get 5,000 points. So that's why I got so many points. I'm really trying to build up my points because I used a lot of it. So that is what I wanted to do. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys have an awesome day. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys possibly Thursday or next week Sunday. See you guys later. Bye-bye.